Hello and welcome to another video of virtualization. In this video, I will show you how to install VMware Workstation Player on your Windows 11 system. VMware Workstation Player is free for non-commercial use. If you like to learn VMware Hypervisor and you like to create and manage virtual machines as well as try different operating systems, then VMware Workstation Player is another good option for you. To begin installation, you can search VMware Workstation Player into Google. The first link will be the official website of VMware Workstation Player. As a best practice, we only trust the official websites when we download any software. Just click on it, it will take us to the official website of VMware Player. Before downloading, you can scroll down and see the system requirements. So these are the system requirements, system and your operating system, host operating system requirements. And these are the guest operating system you can try on your virtual machines. So let's back to the download. Click on free download. Then on this page, click go to downloads. This is the download page. So we are looking for VMware Workstation Player for Windows. Click download. Downloaded is started already. If you like to check the integrity of this file, you can just go to read more and see the checksum value. This step is not compulsory for installation, but if you like to verify your checksum value, you can follow. I'll use the SHA-256 because it is current industry standard. So I just copy and will paste into Notepad. Now you can just Google SHA-256 checksum. You can verify checksum online or you can install software. There are different options available, but I will go with online, it's handy. Make sure SHA-256 is selected here, then click drop your file here. So here is the value of our checksum. And now I'm copying this value and pasting it into Notepad. So we have both values here, we can verify. So this is the value was posted on website and this is the value we just counted. Both values are same, so our package is safe to install. If you like to verify the checksum, this is the way how we do. Now we can go to our downloaded file. Just double click, click next on welcome screen. This is end user license agreement. If you like to read, you can go through it. And then we have to click on I accept the terms of license. Click next. This screen is about compatibility with Hyper-V. If Microsoft Hyper-V is enabled on your device, then it will ask for this question. I will go without that. On this screen, this is installation location. If you like to change, there is any reason, you can change it. Otherwise, you can leave it default. Enhanced keyboard driver. This is for if you are using international keyboards or the keyboards that have extra keys, then you can use this feature. If you are using standard keyboard, you don't need that. And this one you need to check for workstation console tool into system path and click next. On this screen, better to check both of these. The first one will check the product updates on startup. It is good security feature. The second one to join VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. This will collect technical information for system improvement. Click next. Here is the shortcut option. If you want to have both shortcuts, you can check them both. Click next. It's ready to install. Click on install. Installation is completed. You can click on finish. Let's run VMware Workstation Player first time. When we run VMware Workstation Player for the first time, it will ask for license information. If we are using for testing and learning purpose, so just click on non-commercial use and it will be free to use. Click continue and then click finish. Here we go. This is our VMware Workstation Player. When we create a new virtual machine, we have to click here. And then we need ISO file to create a virtual machine. In next video, we will show you how to download ISO files, how to create and manage virtual machines.